Okay, Regents exam number 1, question number 18. If the pattern below continues, which equation or equations is a recursive formula that represents the number of squares in this sequence? Now, the giveaway for this question, if I'm grabbing a highlighter, is that term recursive formula, because this is a sequence. Y equals 2x plus 1 is not recursive. It does not give me a starting point. Y equals 2x plus 3 does not give me a starting point. So neither one of those satisfies the condition of a recursive formula. For a recursive formula, somebody has to tell me that I'm starting with 3 squares. So we look at the last two choices. Now, this one says we start with 3 squares because A sub 1, the first design, has 3 squares. Answer 4 says we have 1 square in the first design. So if you know how to read a recursive formula, we already know the answer is the third choice. And all the rest of this says is to find the next term, we take the one that came before and we're adding 2 squares every time. And if we look at our pattern, we've got the 3 here. There's the 3, and we added 2. There's the 5, and we added 2. There's the 7, and we added 2. So they're always adding 2 squares, so that is your sequence. And the answer to this question is the third choice right here. A sub 1 equals 3. A sub n equals the term that came before, A sub n minus 1, and we add 2 every time. So anytime you have a recursive sequence, you have to establish how many items there are in the first term. So in this case, there are 3 squares in the first design. So A sub 1, the first term, is 3. And again, that is question number 18 for Regents Exam 1.